What if I told you you could literally look like a different person in just 24 hours without spending a single rupee at the salon? Sounds impossible, right? Well, I'm going to prove you wrong today. This is my ultimate one-day glow-up challenge. Step 1. The reset. Inside-out glow. Before we fix what's on the outside, we need to start inside. First thing I did this morning was drink a huge glass of warm water with lemon and honey. This is like pressing the reset button for your body. It cleanses, hydrates, and gives your skin an instant boost. Next, a quick 10-minute stretch and deep breathing. I know it sounds boring, but glowing skin starts with good circulation. And yes, breakfast matters. I had a bowl of fruits and soaked almonds, not chips or bread, because junk shows up instantly on your face. Step 2. The skin transformation. Okay, now the fun part. Skin care that actually makes a difference in one day. I started with a DIY rice water face soak. Super easy. Just soak rice, strain it, dip cotton pads, and place them on your face for 10 minutes. Your skin will look brighter instantly. Then, steam plus exfoliation. I took a bowl of hot water, covered my head with a towel, and steamed my face for 5 minutes. This opens up pores and softens dead skin. Then I used a gentle scrub to polish off dullness. For the mask, I mixed curd plus honey plus turmeric. Apply for 15 minutes and rinse. Your skin will literally glow like you've had a facial. And of course, finish with ice cubes on the face to shrink pores and lock it all in. Step 3. Hair revival. No glow-up is complete without shiny hair. I oiled my scalp with coconut oil plus aloe vera gel mix and massaged it for 10 minutes. Left it for an hour, then washed with a mild shampoo. Then, I applied a DIY hair mask, just conditioner plus a few drops of honey. Makes hair ridiculously soft. I blow-dried it on low heat and added a little serum. My hair went from frizz to silky smooth in a single wash, like salon results, but at home. Step 4. Quick fix beauty hacks. Now that skin and hair are on point, let's do small hacks that make a huge difference. I shape my brows with a simple tweezer. Neat brows instantly lift your whole face. Added some lip scrub, sugar plus honey, and tinted them with beetroot juice for that natural rosy color. For eyes, cold spoons. Just freeze them and place under your eyes to vanish puffiness. Then I curled my lashes, added clear lip balm on eyelids and lips. Gives that glassy fresh look without heavy makeup. And yes, I even did a quick teeth whitening hack, just baking soda and toothpaste for 1 minute, not too often though. A bright smile equals instant glow up. Step 5. Outfit plus vibes. This part is underrated. A clean, well-fitted outfit in a color that suits your skin tone does 50% of the job. I went for a pastel top and some minimal jewelry because when you feel confident in your clothes, you automatically look better. Final touch. I put on a light mist perfume. Don't underestimate smelling good. People remember how you made them feel. And now, the results. In just 24 hours, my skin looks clearer, my hair is shiny, and I feel completely different. The best part? I didn't spend any money. I just used what I had at home. If I can do this in a single day, so can you. Sometimes, the smallest changes in 24 hours can make you fall in love with yourself all over again. So, here's my challenge to you. Try this routine today and watch how unrecognizable you feel tomorrow. Because trust me, you deserve to glow.